Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a review of an audiobook on Audible. And if this video has been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get into it. I'm basically on Google Chrome, I've accessed the Audible website, I've logged into my account, and I'm going to go up to the library section. And these are all the audiobooks that I have on my account, some that I've listened to, some that I've not. But I'm just going to select this one right here. And then down here, we actually have the review section. It says 4.6 stars. There's 1,150 ratings. If you click in there, it will take you down to all of the reviews of this audiobook. So if you actually wanted to write your own review, how you do it is come to More Options and then press Write a Review. And it does currently say review is not available for this title because you have not listened to enough of this title, or it isn't included in your current membership. So I've gone back to the library now and I'm going to try and write a review for a book that I've listened to the whole of the way through. So let's go down here. And I know I've read this entire book here. So I'm going to go to More Options, press Write a Review. And now we have more options on how to actually write a review for this book. We can select up to 5 stars overall. For the performance, you can do the exact same 5 stars if you want. The story as well. These 3 sections, overall, performance and story, is what we can rate the book out of 5 stars for. And then you've got a headline for your review. You can say, very good. Write the review. I liked this a lot. And then from there, it does say the minimum is 15 words and 25 characters, which this sentence does not meet. But let's say we kept on going here. But if you kept on writing out this review, made it a lot more in-depth, you can come down here and press preview and then follow the steps from there to actually submit your review onto Audible's website. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.